Welcome to Life Change Community. Something we do as people that's really interesting and it helps us learn. We give physical attributes to characteristics we admire. For instance, to the characteristic of justice. We all want to be just people and we want justice to be served. And so we envision this character or this attribute of justice as a woman, wearing a blindfold, holding a set of scales, weighing it out, blind justice, just being very fair by feeling how much weight is in each scale. We do this a lot. In the Bible, there is a wonderful literary technique to help us understand what it means to have godly wisdom. And so the writer of the book of Proverbs takes on the character of wisdom and speaks to us as if it's Father Wisdom or Mother Wisdom telling us about herself or himself. Listen to wisdom speaking to us as if another person was talking to you. This is right from the Bible. Listen to this. Wisdom says, "My child, listen to me and do as I say, and you will have a long, good life. I will teach you wisdom's ways and lead you in straight paths. When you walk, you won't be held back. When you run, you won't stumble. Take hold of my instructions. Don't let them go. Guard them, for they are the key to life." To have wisdom allows you to live your life with the confidence that you won't be caught in a trap, you won't be falling over things you did not see or anticipate, and you truly will have the key to unlock the deepest meaning of life. People ask, what's the meaning of life? Wisdom is the key that provides the answer. God promises to give us His wisdom if we ask for it. And when we have His wisdom, we walk with confidence and assurance, and we find the truest meaning of life. Can you imagine how your life would change if you had greater and greater proportions of God's wisdom operating in your life? For all the decisions you make, for all the relationships you have, for all of the guidance you need, God promises to give every bit of it. And when He does, that absolutely will change your life.